guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope everybody is having a great day today. I was going to go grocery shopping today and do a grocery haul for you, but we've got some storms coming through and it's pretty windy outside, and the storms will be here before I even get to town. So I'm not going to chance it today. I'll go either tomorrow or sometimes this weekend and get that up for you guys. I did a poll over on my Instagram to see how many of you would actually want to watch a grocery haul, and I got really good feedback on that. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I've got a link down below in the description box, so you can go follow me over there. I do a lot of stories over there. I don't post as much as I should, but I do a lot of stories. I just, like usual, I always forget to post, but I do a lot of stories. So go follow me over there, and it's a fun time over there. And today we are going to be making tandoori chicken. I love tandoori chicken. I'm going to pair it with some turmeric rice and some broccoli. I have some broccoli that I need to use up in the freezer before I go grocery shopping and get a new pack of broccoli. So I've got to use that up. We're going to have that as a side. And I'm just going to walk you through everything, and I'm going to show you the ingredients for the chicken and the rice. So let's go ahead and go over that and we'll get started. Okay guys, so this is everything you're going to need. I've got some salt and pepper back here. I've got some olive oil. You can do avocado oil, vegetable oil, whatever you have on hand. Got some lemon juice. I thought I had some lemons, but apparently not. My daughter must have used it for something when she was making her some lunch yesterday. So I had some lemon, some like bottled lemon juice. I know it's not going to taste the best, but you do what you got sometimes. So I've got some of that. I've got some chicken here. This is just a package of chicken thighs that I had in the freezer that I needed to use up. You can do whatever style of chicken that you want. You can do breast, legs, and thighs. You can do thighs, legs, and wings. Whatever mixture that you want. Like I said, I just had these in the freezer that I needed to use up. So these are all chicken thighs. I've got some Greek yogurt here. Some jalapenos. And in here is my spices. I've got some turmeric, coriander, cumin, ginger, garlic powder. I think I've got some cinnamon and cloves in there. I will leave the entire recipe on my blog, so that way you'll know the full measurements and everything you need and how to make it. So I will leave that on my blog. It's linked down in the description box. It's always pinned in the comment section, so you can find it there. We're going to go ahead and get this going and marinating. So let's get you switched around and get it going, guys. I'm ready. Okay guys, so I've got a little bowl here, and we're just going to mix everything in here before we put it on the chicken. So I've got my yogurt. You can do whatever brand is your favorite. I like using the Greek yogurt because the consistency to me is better. We'll just set this aside. And then we'll just add some salt and pepper to taste. You can do as much or as little as you want. I've got my lemon juice. And you're going to need about 2 tablespoons of oil. And plus you're going to need 2 tablespoons later for the chicken when we put it in the oven. So I've got my jalapenos going in and my beautiful spice mixture here. I'm going to add that all in, and this is going to give it so much flavor. So I'm just going to carefully mix all of this together until it's well combined. And then we will put this on the chicken. Okay, that looks pretty good. So, I've got my chicken here. I'm going to just pour this sauce. If you can see, I'm just going to pour this right over all of the chicken here. And then all you're going to do is mix this together. Make sure all of the chicken is nice and fully coated with that marinade. And it's going to get down into that chicken and it's going to get all nice and flavorful. And then just kind of mix it around. If you do this by hand, just be careful, especially if you use like bone-in meats, because they will cut you, unfortunately. But just go ahead and kind of mix this all together and make sure everything is nice and coated. And then you're just going to put some plastic wrap over the top, pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and let it marinate until you're ready to cook it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop some plastic on this and put it in the fridge. Okay guys, so I thought I was filming and I was not. So I've got my Instant Pot here. We're going to start off with the rice. I've got about a tablespoon of butter and oil in here. I've got some olive oil. And I just added a half of an onion and a little bit of salt. And I think I put my pepper back up, but I'll get that out in just a minute. I've got, I'm going to go ahead and cook this until the onion is nice and tender. I don't want it to be brown, just tender. I've got my oven preheating to 450 degrees. I've got a sheet tray out and it's lined with my little silk pat thing that goes on it. I've got my chicken marinating back here. And this onion has been going just about a minute or so, and it looks like it's getting there. I don't want it to be too brown. So I am going to go ahead and add in my rice, a little bit of garlic, and zhuzh that around so my garlic doesn't burn. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add in about a half of a teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, as well as some bouillon powder. You can add as much or as little as you want of this bouillon powder. It's going to give it a nice flavor. And just mix that all up. I don't want it to burn. Then we're just going to add in our water and turn it off of the saute function and give this a little zhuzh around. Get all of that rice off the sides. Make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom because you don't want that burn notice. Okay. Now we're just going to pop the lid on, and I'm just going to use the rice function that's on my Instant Pot and let it do its thing. It's going to come up to temp, come up to pressure. It's going to cook 10 minutes, and then I'm going to let it naturally release. In the meantime, we're going to get this chicken going, and it's going to be all delicious, and I cannot wait. Let's go. Okay guys, so I've got my pan here. Like I said, my oven is preheating to, or it's preheated to 450 degrees. And I've got my chicken here. And it's nice and marinated. All all I'm going to do now is put these on my tray here. And we're going to put these in the oven. And they're going to bake for about 40 to 50 minutes, depending on what style of chicken you have. Just cook it until it reads 165 degrees on your meat thermometer. Get all of these on there. In the meantime, while these are cooking, I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup because I cannot with clutter in the kitchen. I have to have a clean kitchen when I'm cooking. It's just me. And I think I've got enough chicken here to feed an army. That's okay. That's okay. We'll have some delicious leftovers for tomorrow. If I can get this daggone piece of chicken out. Put that on here somewhere. Okay. This is going to go really, really well with the rice. I want to get some of these jalapenos on here too because we love spice and these are good and I don't want them to go to waste. Just add some of those to the top. Let me get a spoon. I think that will work a little bit better than those tongs. And then I'm just going to add some of this right on top. As best as I can anyway. Oh, this chicken smells good. I can't wait. This is one of our favorite Indian style-ish type dishes. No, I don't think it's authentic, but it's absolutely delicious. And that's what matters. Yummy, yummy food. Okay, so got that in there. And I am going to go ahead and put this in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes, like I said, depending on what style of chicken you have. So I'm going to put these in there and I'll see you back in just a second. Okay guys, so this chicken just come out of the oven and it smells absolutely delicious. If you could smell my house right now, oh, it just smells so insanely delicious. So I'm going to get these off the pan and put them on a platter so I can just get them off of the grease here, the extra fat from the chicken. This is the rice, guys. It's done and it smells good. It looks delicious. I'm trying not to fog you guys out, but that's what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and plate all of this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Looks absolutely delicious. Can't wait to dig in. Okay guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I love chit-chatting with all of you. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I upload twice a week, every Monday and Thursday at 7 a.m. I'm wanting to branch out and do a little bit more stuff on the channel, like grocery hauls, a little bit more vlog style type of situation for all of you because I want to. It's like a trial run. But if you want a little bit more randomness, head on over to my Instagram. I do a lot of stories over there. It's fun over there. I show a little bit behind the scenes, a little bit of our daily life and stuff that we get into, especially during the summer. So yeah, it's a fun time over there. Yeah, I think we're going to go enjoy some of this delicious, delicious dinner. Chicken is smelling so good. Cannot wait to dig in. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.